Draken, are you gonna finish your dinner? Drake! Don't scare him, honey. Don't scare him, please. He's out. Draken! Drake! Draken, are you gonna eat your food? Drake! Drake! Draken, are you gonna eat your food?
You're not gonna finish your dinner?
Alright, go night-night.
No.
You don't want to go night-night? What's up, bud? What do you want more of? More sleep? Drake, you ready to go night-night?
No.
Wanna go outside?
What?
You were just...
You gotta finish your food.
Oh my god.
Wanna go outside?